Well, okay. Making a little small video in the truck stop. Going to get some Popeyes. Kind of bored tonight, eh? Eh? Yeah, man, that style if you put on for man. I really get this, you know. How you doing, YouTubers? Yeah, I'm trying to be a good YouTuber, giving advice to drivers out here and stuff like that. Yeah. But yeah, Oregon, winter weather, no snow, but it's raining. It is crazy. I'm in my little slippers walking right now. Respect, brother. See, I got my valet opening my door and all that. Look at my valet back there, my bodyguard right there. That's my valet guard right there.
Smell fish around or something?
Yeah, it's kind of fishy in this motherfucker. This damn restaurant smell fishy. Ugh.
I want to go on
Well, yeah. Popeyes. No, I ain't going in there. I'm going to get some Popeyes chicken, boy. Where that Popeye chicken place at? Oh, Popeye chicken over there. Yo, Mr. Valley, I don't know, man. I can't even make no fun joke with Popeye's people because they seem like they're racist. So yeah.